Let's start preparing the lemonade by squeezing the lemons, but before that, just give them a little rub against the table so they can release more juice this way. Cut them in half, and it's up to you how we will get the juice out, either by machine or by hand. I'm using this hand squeezer. It's widely available. You can order online, or of course, widely available online are the electric squeezers. So again, up to you. About the leftover peels, don't throw them away. We're gonna actually use 2-3 half lemons to put inside the lemonade, because in the skin there are these essential oils which we want to have flavor in our lemonade. So don't throw everything. And as well, these lemon peels, scraps, they can be used for other things like preserved lemons or add to casseroles, stews. I'm doing this lemonade today with mint, and I'm gonna be using sugar, but of course, this is easily substituted with honey, with coconut sugar, any other choice of yours, even substitute with stevia or any sweetener of your choice. But here is very important, the quantity will depend on the first of all on your taste and on the type of sweetener as well. There are those calculators that can calculate you how to swap different ingredients, so you can find them online if you want to substitute for something else. Next, we have to remove the seeds from the lemons. Actually, those lemons were with so many seeds, and I actually decided not to fish them with a spoon and just to strain the juice through a fine mesh. In this case, we're gonna lose some of the pulp, which I wanted to keep. That's it, nothing we can do about it. This type of lemons are like this, so it's my luck today to have this type of lemon with so many seeds inside. Next step is to make a simple syrup using water and sugar. In my case, sugar, but again, substitute the sweetener for sweetener of your choice: honey, coconut sugar, agave syrup. I'm not gonna go through all of them, just substitute for whatever you like. But just have in mind, sweet is sweet, sugar is sugar, honey is sugar as well. It's gonna raise your blood sugar, so it really doesn't matter unless you use probably something like stevia. So have this in mind and don't be bothered too much, please. I want to mention here that a good choice here is to swap half of this white sugar for brown sugar, and it's gonna give a very nice kick in the mouth when you're drinking the lemonade. As well, something here, from 4 lemons I got 230 milliliters of lemon juice. In the recipe you're gonna see down in the description I've put 240 milliliters. That's the base recipe I normally do, but these lemons were way too seeded and not so juicy, so have in mind you might need 5 lemons for this recipe. While the sugar syrup is getting ready, I'm gonna pick the mint leaves in this case. Here actually you can swap for basil leaves, sorry, basil leaves. Once my sugar syrup is ready, I'm gonna be blitzing those mint leaves inside the lemonade so I can give more flavor. And as well the stalks we're gonna keep because we will put them inside with some of the lemon peels later to give more flavor from the essential oil. Once you have melted the sugar in the water, the syrup is ready, and next you have to leave it to cool down as much as possible. Leave it at room temperature before you put it in the fridge to cool down completely. Don't ever add any hot pots or liquids in your fridge because you might break the fridge. That's very important. You can of course transfer this to a jug, so it's gonna actually quicker getting cold. And after this we are going to add it together with the lemon juice. So we are making something like a flavored simple syrup. Once the sugar syrup is completely cold, we are going to process it with the other ingredients. I have no idea why I've chosen the kitchen robot for this recipe. You can achieve the same result with a hand blender. Just mix together the sugar syrup, lemon juice, and mint leaves, and just blitz everything together in whatever equipment you've got. This now is a ready simple syrup which is infused with the mint All you have to do now, transfer in a container or in a jug, put in the fridge covered for like 2-3 hours just to get more infusion from the mint, and you're ready to dilute it with sparkling water, with just regular water, and it's ready to drink, and it's the perfect lemonade for the summer. Once it's cold, you just add some ice, add some lemon slices if you want, maybe some mint leaves, and just dilute the actual lemonade syrup by your taste, because some people like it a bit more sweet, some like it a bit less sweet, so everything is up to you here. You can either keep the mint pieces in the lemonade, or you can strain them before you put them in the cup for drinking. Again, it's up to you, whatever you want. Have in mind, as longer they stay, actually they're gonna get darker, because they're gonna hit the oxygen, and they're gonna just lose the color. I'm adding 1 liter of water to the infused lemon sugar water syrup with the mint, and I'm just adding it to a jug with some lemon peels that we saved from the juicing and some mint stalks. And that's how I'm gonna keep it in the fridge. Have it ready whenever I want. I have prepared more interesting videos for you guys, so please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking this video. This really helps every small channel. Commenting down below as well what you want to see next and how did you enjoy this recipe is very helpful as well. I have some thoughts on showing you more types of lemonades. Just let me know if you're interested. Thank you for watching, as always. It's a pleasure for me to show you some new recipes, and not only new, but some old classic ones that I put through my perspective as being a chef for the last around 10 years. And I hope to see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching.